All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Hashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Kakadash, Barakam to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Aquaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the earthquakes in diverse places as of November the 21st, 2025, on this Friday night. And you had a news article from the Standard, from the TBSnews.net, from Standard, the Business Standard, from TBS report from Bangladesh, November 21st, 2025 at 10:40 a.m. and last modified November 22nd, 2025 at 1:25 a.m. And it says 10 were unalive, hundreds injured, and buildings damaged as a 5.7 magnitude quake rattles Bangladesh. Yeah. Then it was a 5.7 earthquake in Russia as well too. Nobody after Florida State knocked off Alabama to start the year thought they'd be 5-5. And this is what we. And this is from the breakingnews.net, and it says published by Christian Balia from NY, and this reads from Bahia. Breaking news 3 hours ago was published, and it reads a magnitude of a 5.7 earthquake struck off the Kamchatka earthquake of a magnitude of a 5.7 struck off the coast of Russian Spalencia, 214 kilometers southeast of Korea of the United States Geological Survey, USGS says. The tremor occurred at a depth of 10 kilometers at 11:38 p.m. CET time on Friday evening. There was no news of damages or tsunami warnings was issued for the area. NC State pounces on it, so back-to-back punts for Florida State, and then can't feel either. Now, NC State was lining up to go for a field goal on 4th and 6, and then they realized being up 6 line up help us, so they go for it on 4th and 6, and barely. It goes to Jalou, who makes a tremendous catch on 4th and 6. Gutsy. State wants to go bowling. They're going to. They get their 6th victory. You see, Jolie makes a great grab of that one, and they win. And this is from the earthquake.us.gov. From the latest earthquakes, it reads you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded 23 kilometers west to southwest of Ferdale, California. 3.9 earthquake recorded 123 kilometers southwest of Alakina of Alaska. 2.5 earthquake recorded 17 kilometers northeast of Hermon, Texas. 2.9 earthquake recorded 53 kilometers east of Dalina of National Park, Alaska. 2.7 earthquake recorded 17 kilometers northeast of Hammerlag, Texas. 2.8 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers northeast of Sustania, North Alaska. 4.8 earthquake recorded 0 kilometers northeast of Balican, Philippines. 2.7 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers east of northeast of Hidden Valley, California. 2.5 earthquake recorded 20 kilometers northwest of Fox River, Alaska. 3.0 earthquake recorded 68 kilometers north of Terrias Nevares, a appointee of Puerto Rico. 5.7 earthquake recorded 214 kilometers southeast of Ariel of Russia. 4.1 earthquake recorded 275 kilometers southeast of King Cove, Alaska. 4.5 earthquake recorded 14 kilometers south of southwest of Q-Pose of Costa Rica, if I pronounced that right. And you had a 4.3 earthquake recorded 132 kilometers southwest of Alaska. 4.4 earthquake recorded 187 kilometers north of northwest of Lexia Tenor Lesti. 4.9 earthquake recorded 105 kilometers east of northeast. East to southeast of Arozonovik of Russia. Then you had a 2.7 earthquake recorded 11 kilometers south of Ballfish, California. 5.6 earthquake recorded south of the Fuji Islands. 5.5 earthquake recorded 137 kilometers east of Malio, Japan. Then you had a 4.5 earthquake recorded 136 kilometers east of northeast of Canterbury, Papua New Guinea. 4.9 earthquake recorded 70 kilometers northeast of Taliban of New Caledonia. 2.5 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers northwest of Fort Cheyenne, Texas. 2.8 earthquake recorded 8 kilometers of Templeton of California. 4.7 earthquake recorded in Collinsburg Ridge. 3.6 earthquake recorded 33 kilometers south and southwest of Leston, New Zealand. 3.2 earthquake recorded 75 kilometers southeast of Bacla del Namal of Dominican Republic. 2.6 earthquake. Oh, that was from yesterday. So those was the latest earthquakes from November 21st, 2025. It is still wild to me that the highest ranked ACC team is Miami. I want to take a hard left turn and have this bog us down, but do you think there's a path to them? It's the book of Matthew, chapter 24 and verse 7. For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom, and there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Right, because that's the key word, the earthquakes. So we definitely going to be seeing increasing, rising, uptick of earthquakes in diverse places. And that's what Yahushua spoke about. So it's going to be a continuing increasing earthquakes in diverse places on a daily basis. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying of the earthquakes in diverse places as of November 21st, 2025, this Friday night. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bashem, Yahushua, Bahashem, Makar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His only begotten Son, Bahashem. In the name of Hamashiach, Yahushua, those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lashmakash tongue. And I say Barak Thumb to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Aquaf, and I say Shalom.